With just your body weight, you may gain a significant amount of muscle. I'll give you 8 effective workouts that will change your body and increase your level of fitness in a matter of weeks. The last one is a time saver that works many muscle groups at once, so don't miss it. 1. The lunge. A classic design that never goes out of style is the lunge. They work great for your core, but they mostly target your lower body, particularly your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Imagine being more balanced, having stronger legs, and having more hip flexibility, all of which may be quite helpful if you spend a lot of time sitting down. Because they train each leg separately, lunges help maintain the health of your joints from your hips to your ankles by resolving any muscle imbalances. Try practicing walking lunges, forward lunges, or even reverse lunges to begin started. To allow for muscle recovery, begin with 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions each leg, with 1 to 2 minutes of rest in between sets. Do you want to go farther with it? As you go, pick up various weights for an extra challenge. If you want to go into great detail about lunges, please let me know in the comments. I'd be pleased to explain the many kinds and their advantages. 2nd, Superman. The Superman exercise will become your new best friend if you spend a lot of time bent over a desk or a computer. It improves posture and strengthens your whole back, from your upper back to your glutes and hamstrings. The Superman exercise might even lessen the chance of back issues and counteract the negative consequences of sitting all day by strengthening these often disregarded muscles. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for beginners, holding each posture for 2 to 3 seconds. For more intensity, consider holding the posture for longer as you become better. 3. The push-up. There's a reason why push-ups are so popular. This easy but powerful exercise works your core and targets your triceps, shoulders, and chest. In addition to increasing strength, push-ups improve stability and functional fitness, which is beneficial for daily activities involving pushing motions. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. Increase the repetitions or experiment with variants like decline push-ups or diamond push-ups to target various muscles when you're ready. Maintaining a straight line from head to heel is crucial for proper technique and avoiding back pain. Are you interested about variants of push-ups? I'll create a video that covers all the variants and the appropriate method for each one if you leave a comment. 4 planks. A fantastic core exercise that tones your whole body is the plank. Holding a plank is a great full-body workout since it works your shoulders, back, core, and even your legs and glutes. Regularly doing plank exercises can enhance your general stability, posture, and spinal alignment, all of which will lower your risk of developing back discomfort. As you gain strength, progressively extend the duration to 45 to 60 seconds after starting with 2 sets of 20 to 30 seconds each. Try adding a leg lift while holding the plank if you're looking for an additional challenge. 5. Squats. The greatest leg workout is the squat. They target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. For balance, they also need core stability. Squats increase your heart rate and strengthen your heart since they are a complex exercise that works many different muscles and joints. To begin, try doing 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions with 1 to 2 minutes of rest in between. As you advance, up the repetitions or add weights to increase the resistance. The finest aspect? Squats are a popular exercise for individuals of all ages since they increase mobility and over time can assist to develop bone density. 6th, wall sits. Wall sits are the ideal workout if you want to work out any place. To engage your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, just locate a wall and slip into a sitting posture. Maintaining the posture will challenge your limitations and help you develop mental toughness and endurance. Start with 2 or 3 sets, each lasting 20 to 30 seconds. Aim for 60 seconds or more every set as you increase the length of time you can maintain the posture as your leg strength increases. 7. Lifting your legs. Leg raises are a great technique to work your hip flexors and lower abs, which are regions that many AB workouts ignore. Balance and proper posture depend on core stability, which may be enhanced by strengthening these muscles. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions to begin. To keep things interesting as you develop core strength, you might use modifications such as weighted leg rises or hanging leg raises, caddex's burpees. Lastly, we have burpees, the ultimate all-in-one workout. Squats, planks, push-ups, and jumps are all combined in this powerful exercise, which is perfect for increasing cardiovascular endurance and burning calories. Burpees work all of the main muscle groups, including the arms, legs, and core. Because they are so dynamic, they will raise your heart rate, which will improve your agility and and endurance. As your level of fitness improves, increase the number of burpees from 3 sets of 5 to 8 to more. Here are 8 easy but powerful bodyweight workouts that may change your body without the need for a gym membership. You'll see and feel the difference in a matter of weeks if you try adding these workouts to your weekly program. For more incredible fitness advice, remember to like and subscribe to this video if you found it entertaining and useful. Together, let's increase our strength one repetition at a time.